You finally sit down, ready to finally clean up your data model, and before you even open BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift, dbt, whatever tool you really use in your day-to-day, Slack explodes. Can you add campaign names to this? Why does Q2 look different than yesterday's report? Also, can we slice it by country? And yeah, I need it for a call in 15 minutes. Or maybe you just got a notification about a new Jira ticket created for yet another analytics task. Yeah, that kind of morning. Hey there, my name is Yevgen. You're at our OWOX Bay YouTube channel where we speak all things about analytics, data warehouses, spreadsheets, and all of the ways to help data folks just like you build reporting systems that actually work and give you a competitive advantage. This is the first lesson in our mini course on how to stop being the bottleneck for reporting so you can finally become the strategic backbone of your company's analytics, not just a monkey delivering CSVs on demand. Here is the real problem. You're not just writing SQL. You get tasks from the business users. Sometimes those tasks are really far away from the data that you have. Sometimes you do not understand those tasks because the metric definitions are mismatched or not aligned. In any case, you know what I'm talking about. You are maintaining reports and dashboards. You are fixing filters and charts someone broke in a copy of your report. You're answering the same "can we slice this by X" questions for the 10th time. And every time someone asks for a small tweak, it's you who has to drop everything you're doing and deliver those tiny changes in 15 minutes because he needs that for yesterday. At some point, it stops being data analysis and becomes babysitting. But it's not because your colleagues, the business users, are trying to make your life harder. No, it's not because they don't value you and your work. That's just because those business users, they just want answers to their questions fast. But the tools they use, or the tools your organization uses, they are designed to give them access, but not the control for you. So when you open the gates, you're giving away your logic, your join keys, your structure, and your SQLs, as well as your quality standards, all of it. And when things break or seem not as expected, you are the one they come to, even if the problem was caused by someone else duplicating or tweaking your report. That's the cycle. That's why you feel stuck, and that's what we are going to fix together in this mini course. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel and enable notifications so you get notified when the next lesson becomes available. Because trust me, it's golden and you won't want to miss it. And please, do me a quick favor. Click that like button right now and let's move on. So, why does this keep happening? Because the moment you share your work, a dashboard, a report, a SQL query, you are also handling over a lot of invisible responsibility. Most tools do not separate access from ownership. You give someone a report to view, but not for them to duplicate it. They tweak a filter, rename a metric, and add their own column. And suddenly, what started as your carefully built logic becomes 5 broken versions floating around in Slack threads. And because it still has your name on it, well, you are the one who gets the follow-up questions. Hey, why does this number not match the one from last week? Did you change something? The report is showing different revenue than another dashboard, and so on. Except for one little thing, you didn't touch anything. This happens because there is no layer between your source of truth and the wild, messy world of business requests. No version control, no usage or utilization tracking, no guardrails, no your guardrails. That's not just annoying. That's how trust in data breaks every single time. And when people stop trusting the numbers they get, they stop trusting you. And let's be honest, this doesn't just waste your time. It wears you down. You start dreading new requests. You get the Slack ping and immediately feel annoyed even before you read it. You stop experimenting. You stop improving your SQL skills or data skills or analytics skills, your data models. You are just firefighting. And over time, it chips away at your confidence. You begin to question yourself. Am I just bad at building reports? Why do they ask the same things again and again? Why do things keep breaking? Why does it feel like I'm the only one who cares about the quality of this report? The quality of the decisions they make, not me. Meanwhile, the business folks think you are slow. Like you are the blocker, the bottleneck. And they see it. I asked for one number and it's taking forever. Why? But you are not slow. You're just the only one responsible for everything, and you are holding the system together. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. You don't need to choose between control and collaboration. You can build a system where business users get the answers they need without breaking your logic, flooding your inbox, or duplicating house. It starts with a structure, with reusable, version-controlled SQL queries that you have already created, with clear ownership of the results of your work, with the access boundaries and the right level of visibility. That is exactly what this mini course is all about. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your reporting workflow so that scales together with the company and its reporting needs. But, and that's very important, like literally the most important piece, without scaling your burnout. And it starts with one simple thing, a checklist. In the next video, I'll show you how to use it to regain control before your next report turns into a support ticket. If any of this hit a little too close to home, you are not alone. Thousands of analysts are stuck in the same loop, building, fixing, re-explaining, and wondering why it never gets easier. This mini course called From Bottleneck to Data Hero, how analysts can deliver self-service reporting without losing control. And this is your way out. We'll go step by step how to structure your SQL library, how to both share and protect it, and how to empower your team without becoming their on-call report monkey. So, if you haven't already, download the checklist I've linked below. Subscribe to this channel and let's fix it together. The next lesson, number 2, will be about how to structure your SQL library and reporting logic so it's reusable, reliable, and it doesn't fall apart at the moment someone touches it. So, I'll see you there.